Okay, we're back. I'm Samuel Rickert, here to teach you your science term of the day. Welcome in. Stay to the end of the video to hear more about the sponsor, Scholar Dog. Okay, so here's our science term of the day, number 2, quantum entanglement. If you want to pause the video, you can now see if you can describe what is quantum entanglement in your own words in a minute or less. Okay, hopefully you all tried. I don't care if you get the definition perfect, I care that you try. Okay, in 1 minute or less, what is quantum entanglement? So quantum mechanics is the study of how the universe works, and it started with the study of very small things. And so when we look at very small things, they exhibit quantum properties very nicely, and they're not averaged out by statistics or anything. But what's the deal with entanglement? It means that we have two particles, usually quarks or electrons or some small particle like this, and they have two properties that are interrelated. Now, the way we first saw this is we saw this with the spins of these particles. So one had a up spin and the other had a down spin, and they always balanced each other out. That means that if you observe the pair of particles and you know that one has an up spin, you know the other one has a down spin. And that can be true of other properties such as charge or other things. The interesting thing about this is even if you separate the entangled particles by completely different places, so you entangle two particles, then you put one in a lab in Switzerland and one in the lab in the United States. As soon as you measure the spin of one particle as being up spin, the other particle, even though it is all across the world, or theoretically even another part of the universe, its spin would always be downspin. So as soon as the particles interact and become entangled, they will always have complementary spins. Okay, that was a little bit over a minute, but it's a complicated idea. Did you like today's term of the day? If you did, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other cool and interesting terms you would like me to discuss. Okay, thank you for sticking it in. I'm going to briefly tell you about the sponsor of today's video. I'm going to try to point this right. Okay, this one. Scholar Dog. So thank you, Scholar Dog, for giving me a job, letting me use this wonderful studio. In a minute or less, why I as a teacher love Scholar Dog is because they make making assignments, quizzes, and tests very, very quick and efficient. As a teacher, I was always trying to have multiple versions of my tests to prevent cheating. Well, with the use of AI, Scholar Dog does an excellent job making physics, biology, chemistry, and math tests with many different versions in seconds. That would have saved me so much time and would have allowed me to spend more time focusing on helping my students learn if I would have used Scholar Dog more when I was a teacher and tools like this existed. Okay, thank you again for all of you for supporting the video. Please like and subscribe. Put in a comment a key term you want me to talk about next. See you next time.